Hello friends, welcome to Bharat Auto World. In today's video, we will see a complete renovation process of my 2010 CBZ Xtreme. Due to unavailability of proper parking space, it has experienced enough rains and hot summers. The color was peeling off and various parts were rusting. Being the first bike gifted by my parents, I want to preserve it as long as I can. First of all, I ordered all the genuine parts like front fairing, wind glass, both side panels, front and rear mudguards, cowl set from Hero. As this model was discontinued in 2010, the parts are available on order. I ordered and waited for around 3 to 4 months to get all the parts. First of all, we removed all the old parts. The bike was then taken for the repaint process. The engine, chassis, both wheels, mirrors, petrol tank and rear grab handles were painted. It's the time to apply primary black color coat on the petrol tank. The CBZ stickers were then applied on the tank. This one is the final coat of glossy finish. It took around 3 to 4 days for complete repainting process. These all are the genuine parts from Hero which we are going to fit in the CBZ Xtreme. And here's the beauty after the repaint. Now it's the time to fit all the new genuine parts from Hero. The horn switch assembly and the self-start switch assembly was also changed. And here is the 11 years old brand new CBZ Xtreme. The complete renovation was done in 16,000 rupees, which includes a major servicing of 3,000 rupees, which was done before this renovation. And now some welcome moments with my family. Let's start the engine. Like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Bharat Auto World. Thank you for watching the video.